Hi guys, this is a AtomRC Beluga. It's nice looking, it's beautiful plane, at least at first glance, but there are several issues that I'm going to share with you later. The main issue is with the flaps. You can see the flap here on this side is perfectly aligned, but on the fuselage side there is noticeably mismatch. This is on the right side. You can see that. On the left side, it's even worse. See, if it is lined this part, then here you see this cleavage. It won't just fit. So no matter how there is no way that you can adjust this flap. I contacted the manufacturer, but they've refused to replace it for me. Their explanation was that even if they replace the wing, it's not going to fix the problem. So I think it's something with their manufacturing process, and it's not just me. There are several other persons who purchased the Beluga with the same problem. So their solution was to give us a 10% discount on the airplane, but it's not going to help, right? What is this 10% going to help us? If it ever causes a crash, the cost is going to much higher than the 10% discount, right? Okay, this is the issue with the flap. Another issue is with the wing connector. So this connector comes originally with the XT30 connector, but the XT30 connector can only takes 15 amps. But we have a 50 amp SCC and a pretty big motor here. And I don't think this XT30 is going to stand up with the current. Let's take the XT30 off and replace it with XT60. But it looks nothing good. Okay, we talked to the manufacturer, and they are not going to make any adjustments or any changes in the near future. The other issue is with the the wing to the fuselage connecting. You see here they are connected with these two. They are secured with these two screws here and here. But the screw holes they just won't fit. See, you can see that. So you just push it real hard, and it's get in there. But you see, this won't match. So the screw is not going to fit in. I'm already at the end. See, it's already pretty close. And on the other side, it's the same thing. See? The two screw holes that all match. So you see the other side, it's already attached. So there's no way that I can squeeze it. There are other users with the same problem. It takes two persons, one person to hold the fuselage, the other person to hold the wing and to squeeze it real hard, so you can secure it with the screw. So basically, you need to it requires two persons to do the assembly. If you're in the field alone, I don't know how this is going to work. Okay, now we come to the conclusion. It looks nice, but that's as far as it goes. Tons of problems. Before you make any purchase or make any decisions, contact your supplier. to make sure that those problems has been solved. Okay, so that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Good luck and goodbye.